In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy all slides PowerPoint 2025, step by step. First, open your web browser and search for PowerPoint. Click the official Microsoft link to launch PowerPoint on the web. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your account details and confirm you're in the right workspace so you have access to your presentations. Once you're in, find the presentation that contains the slides you want to copy and open it. On the left side, you'll see the slide thumbnails. Click any one slide to set the focus. Now press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select every slide in the deck. On a Mac, that's Command+A. You should see all thumbnails highlighted. If only one is selected, click again in the thumbnail pane and repeat the shortcut until everything is highlighted. Right-click on any highlighted slide to open the context menu, then choose Copy. If you prefer shortcuts, Ctrl+C or Command+C does the same thing. This copies all the selected slides, including their layouts, transitions, and notes. Next, head back to the PowerPoint homepage. You can use your browser's back button, open a new tab, or navigate via the app launcher. Whichever is quickest for you. Create a fresh file by selecting Create Blank Presentation. This gives you a clean destination for your copied slides. In the new presentation, click the first slide in the thumbnail pane on the left so PowerPoint knows where to paste. Right-click to open the menu and select Paste. You can also use Ctrl+V or Command+V. If paste options appear, like Keep Source Formatting or Use Destination Theme, pick the one that best fits your needs. Keep Source Formatting preserves the original look. Use Destination Theme adapts the slides to the new file's design. If you see the default blank title slide lingering above your pasted slides, simply delete it to tidy up. If you paste in the wrong spot, press undo and try again. Give it a moment if you're moving a large deck. Images, fonts, and animations might take a few seconds to appear. When the paste finishes, scroll through to confirm everything copied over as expected. Speaker notes and transitions typically come along, but it's a good idea to check any custom fonts or media, and that's it. You've copied an entire set of slides into a new presentation quickly and cleanly. If you ever want to paste into an existing file instead, just open that file and use the same copy and paste approach. Don't forget to save and rename your new deck when you're done.